I dare you to eat cranberries after watching this. I bet you only see these things at Thanksgiving. But what if I told you that ignoring cranberries for 364 days a year is one of the biggest mistakes you could possibly make? These little red berries aren't just for show. They have a secret power that has scientists completely freaking out. I'm serious. They contain compounds so good at fighting bacteria, they're being tested as a weapon against antibiotic resistance. So whatever you do, do not click away, because we are about to reveal the insane science-backed reasons you need cranberries in your life, starting today. For literally centuries, people used cranberries for medicine, and it turns out they were 100% right. Modern science is now proving just how ridiculously good for you this tiny berry is. We are skipping all the myths and jumping straight to the facts. In this video, we are breaking down the biggest health benefits of cranberries, from protecting your heart to completely rebalancing your gut. We'll even show you the absolute best ways to eat them and what to watch out for at the grocery store. I promise you, by the end of this video, you will never look at a cranberry the same way again. Your urinary tract's best friend. Let's start with the one you've probably heard of. Cranberries are incredible for your urinary tract. But most people get the reason completely wrong. It's not because they make your urine more acidic. The real secret is an insane antioxidant called A-type proanthocyanidins, or PACs. Get this, these PACs basically create a non-stick Teflon coating inside your urinary tract. It's so slick that E. coli, the bacteria that causes most UTIs, can't grab on and start an infection. It just slides right off. Countless studies have shown that getting a daily dose of cranberries can dramatically reduce how often UTIs return, especially for women. It's an insane natural defense for your body, a major boost for your heart. But that's not even half of it. Cranberries are also a game changer for your heart. They are absolutely packed with polyphenols. These are super powerful antioxidants that protect your entire cardiovascular system. In one crazy experiment, healthy guys ate the equivalent of 100 grams of fresh cranberries every single day for a month. The result? Their blood vessels worked dramatically better, letting blood flow like a superhighway. That is a massive indicator of a healthy heart. On top of that, cranberries can help smash your bad LDL cholesterol while boosting your good HDL cholesterol, and might even help lower your blood pressure. It's a total body shield for your heart, keeping your gut happy. Your gut health controls basically everything from your mood to your immune system. And you guessed it, cranberries are amazing for that too. New science shows cranberries act as a prebiotic. That's literally superfood for the good bacteria in your gut. They've been found to boost levels of bifidobacterium, which is an amazing bacteria linked to way less inflammation and a lower risk of diseases like diabetes. At the exact same time, the polyphenols in cranberries stop bad bacteria from growing. They've even been shown to block Helicobacter pylori, the nasty bacteria that causes stomach ulcers, from ever sticking to your stomach lining in the first place. How to get more cranberries in your life. So how do you get in on this? You have a ton of options. Fresh or frozen cranberries are incredible in smoothies and oatmeal. Dried cranberries are a super easy snack, but you have to watch out for brands that dump in a mountain of sugar. Look for ones that are unsweetened. For juice, you have to get 100% pure, unsweetened cranberry juice. Don't get tricked by the sugary cocktails that cancel out all the benefits. If you want the dose that's proven to work for preventing UTIs, studies use about 100 grams of fresh cranberries, or a supplement with at least 36 milligrams of those magic packs. A couple of things to keep in mind. Listen up. This is important. While cranberries are safe for almost everyone, there are two things you need to know. They have something called oxalates, so if you've had kidney stones before, you probably shouldn't eat a million of them every day. Also, cranberries can mess with blood-thinning medication like warfarin, so if you're taking that, you absolutely have to talk to your doctor before you start eating a ton of cranberries. Conclusion. From making your urinary tract invincible to boosting your heart and gut, the science is overwhelming. Cranberries are an absolute superfood that you need in your kitchen all the time. They are so much more than some random holiday garnish. Their insane mix of antioxidants and anti-stick compounds is one of the most powerful natural ways to support your health all year long. CTA, I have to know, what's your favorite way to eat cranberries? Let me know in the comments right now. And if you learned something mind-blowing, do me a favor and destroy that thumbs up button and subscribe for more insane science-backed videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Eat.